Hey y'all, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend so far. So, today is all about that creamy, luscious mixed berry cheesecake, but in cute little bars. How great is that? These cheesecake bars are a perfect gift for any party, and trust me, your guests, friends, family, or literally anybody will fall in love with you and this cheesecake. So let's quickly measure out all our ingredients and let's get started. So we're gonna begin with our mixed berry compote, which is our key element of this cheesecake. It's super easy to make. You'll just have to heat up this mixture until it slightly thickens and looks chunky in the end. Remove this from the heat and blend using an immersion blender to break down the berries further and form a puree. Once done, transfer this into a bowl and set it aside to cool. At this point, start preheating the oven to 160 degrees. We'll now move on to making the base of our cheesecake with digestive biscuits, sugar, and butter. You can either split the steps like I did or put all the ingredients into one jar and mix them together, depending on how big or small your food processor is. The end result will be exactly the same. But for now, blitz the digestive biscuits and sugar until they are powdered. Transfer this into a bowl and mix the softened butter into this until the mixture holds its shape when pressed together. Next, we move on to making our filling. Take cream cheese, sour cream, sugar, and vanilla into a bowl and whip until there are no lumps and the mixture is smooth. After that, add the eggs one at a time and continue whipping until they are fully combined. We now take a deep square or rectangle baking dish and completely butter all the sides. Put in the digestive biscuits mixture and press to the bottom to form an even base layer. Pour half of the filling onto this and place dollops of the cooled down mixed berry puree. Take a fork and make swirls to combine the berries with the cheesecake filling. Add the second half of the filling over this and add the rest of the mixed berries puree and continue to make the swirls with a fork again. Put this into bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the center isn't wobbly and wet. Once baked, let this cool completely and then place it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours before cutting it into squares. So this is it, guys. Mixed berry cheesecake bars. How good do they look? They taste absolutely heavenly, and it is such a fun and refreshing summer dessert, and it is something you guys just have to try making. Who doesn't love some creamy, luscious, sinful and refreshing desserts to beat the heat this summer? If you guys love this video as much as I loved making it for y'all, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. More sweet content coming your way. Bye!